going to snow so bad. Wacha niwaoneshe guys. Wacha niwaoneshe weather ya leo guys. So it's going to snow until jioni, like we'll see 6 p.m. guys. Yeah, so wacha tuone the winter. So it says winter storm warning. These conditions are expected to last until 6 a.m. Central Time, Saturday, January 11th. Yes, so that's how bad this winter storm is. Hey guys, welcome back to the Kipchirchir family channel. My name is Afosine Kipchirchir. If you're watching this video for the first time, please don't make it your last and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Yes guys, it's a beautiful morning here in Clarksville, Tennessee. Guys, as you guys can see, it's snowing this morning. Today we are having a winter storm. Okay, we're having a winter storm. Alafu watoto hawajaenda shule, so that's why you can see like I came to warm up the cars and things like that. So they see lose battery. Yeah, said the storm was gonna be around 3 a.m. in the morning. That's when the storm was supposed to start. But unfortunately, I just woke up this morning, guys, and sijafanya mazoezi. Imagine. So right now, as you guys can see, nimevaa manguo. Nataka niende nifanye mazoezi. Nitafanya mazoezi ya nyumba leo, guys. Yeah. Watoto hawajaenda shule this morning because of the snow and things like that. So what are we gonna do today anyway? What are we gonna do today? So today we are gonna be I think what I'm gonna do today is just edit videos and just relax in the house with the kids. I don't have anywhere to take them, guys, because it's gonna be a lot of, everywhere is closed, the office, kila mahali. So yeah guys, wacha niende kwa nyumba nianze mazoezi. Oh my gosh, before this camera
yanifanya niwe jasiri, yaniburudisha nikirukaruka nikimba hosana amen, yaniburudisha nikirukaruka nikimba hosana amen. Nina siri naye Yesu yanifanya niwe.
Jasmine decided to come and sleep with me this morning. Okay, ndio yako hapa amelala. Yeah, so yeah, she decided to come to my room, guys. Like Jasmine saa zingine, oh my gosh, akiamka mapema anakuja kulala kwa room yangu. So sometimes I'm always like, Jasmine, no, go sleep to your room, but sometimes namwacha tu analala hapa. Yeah, so yes guys, wacha nifanye mazoezi. I'm going to do mazoezi like just right here on the floor. Yes, just on the floor. Alafu I'm going to put this on the mat right here. Acha niweke hapa. Okay. So this is what I'm going to use. So these ones I use them for my legs. So these are all together, they're like 2 pounds. So nawekanga kwa mguu hivi. Acha niwaoneshe. This. I'm going to put the next one. Yeah, so these ones I usually use them for like leg workouts, alafu glutes as well, and hips. So that's what I usually do, so it can give me that extra weight. So guys, nitafanya mazoezi for like 25 to 30 minutes today. As I told you guys, sikuenda gym because of the snowstorm and things like that. Yeah, so wacha nifanye mazoezi yetu, guys.
Yanifanya niwe jasiri, yanifanya niwe jasiri, yaniburudisha nikirukaruka nikimba hosana amen.
Okay. Yeah. Jen, why is your hair looking like that?
Sorry. I told you it looked weird.
Your hair looks insane. No, Jenny, no way. That looks crazy. Okay, tell people what you're doing, Jen.
So I'm gonna be cooking breakfast. And next,
What breakfast?
our breakfast.
Okay, what is it then? What are you gonna be doing exactly?
And make eggs and cereal. With toast, I think.
What do you want this morning?
Cereal with milk.
Mm.
I said cereal with milk.
Yeah.
Can we go to Crumble Cookie today?
Look at the winter storm.
So that's okay.
No, it's not.
Fine.
Everywhere is closed. It's gonna be winter storm until like the 11th. Jenny wanataka kwenda nje kufanya kutengeneza snowman. I don't know. Nimewambia wangoje kidogo. They're gonna be here in the balcony. So I told them to wait a little bit until the snow is alive so they can just go outside for a few minutes. Yeah, guys. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Yeah.
The middle of the snowman. Jenny, look at the road.
Looks like Colorado. Guys, we're making a snowman. And we should put it in the freezer and get it next year. Yeah!
What is that, Jen? That's crazy. I don't want that to happen.
Okay, get off of the road, mommy. Oka barabara. Unafanya nini?
Yes, we're playing.
I'm catching them.
Mommy,
And then someone bite their eyebrow.
Mommy,
So guys, it's time for me to bite your eyebrow now.
No, show them the hair I did for you.
Mommy, Mommy, Mommy.
Guys, this is the French bread I did for
Mommy,
Jenny.
Mommy.
So this is Mali nimefi.
Mommy.
Jenny, ngoja kidogo.
We're playing trash balls.
Oh, sawa Jason. So guys, this is the French bread I did on Jenny this evening. So yeah. So hatujamaliza, so tutamaliza hii nywele kesho. Yeah, so guys, right now it's currently sangapi. Right now it's 8 p.m. at night. And nimekuja hapa guys kuwaonesha snow bado inaendelea like since this morning snow bado inaendelea guys. As you guys can see, hebu muone guys. Look at this. Bado inaendelea snow. I think I already told you guys it's going to snow like until 6 a.m. in the morning. Yes. So I don't know if I'm going to go to the gym tomorrow, but gari imekuwa covered guys. Ona. Like gari imekuwa covered na snow. Gari imekuwa covered na snow na kila kitu. So I don't know guys. I just finished taking shower, cleaning evening cleaning, like basically the evening routine. As you guys can see, kina Jasmine walikuja leo kucheza kwa snow nini. So yeah, this is what's going on, people. This is what's happening today. Since I've been waking up so early, like but this time I'm like feeling so sleepy. So nataka niende nikule, kina Jasmine waende kulala alafu. Yeah, so I can have my time by myself, guys.
What?
No.
What?
I was not even recording.
Mommy, can you
Oh, I was not even recording.
Guys, if you wanna fall down, if you wanna know how to like fall down safely when you're singing the Avina song. I wish you could film this when I fell down almost.
What's the name
broke.
of
Amina by Rose Mahandu.
Huh? No way.
Sorry.
You can say it Rose Muhandu. Mahandu. No.
So the same thing.
Really nicely.
Rose Muhandu. Yeah.
See Muhandu. Really nicely, Jenny.
We're gonna talk. So guys, look. So talk to Daddy. There's a song called Rose Man. Maggio. Okay, we're gonna put a song down now.
What's the name of the song? And
Rose
If I show a picture, would it get copyright?
Yeah.
Avina Rose by
Johnny, what's the name of the
Avina Rose Mahando.
No, stop telling Jasmine. Jasmine knows what she has to say. Jasmine, what's the name?
It's Avina by Rose Mahando.
Say Muhando.
Muhando?
Yeah, Rose Muhando. Can you say that?
Rose Muhando.
Say Muhando.
I said Rose Muhando.
Yeah, Rose Muhando.
Okay, let's get this started now. No, God.
Soko leo nimepatikana, no, nimepatikana. Nafanya vile Mungu anataka, hivi ndivyo Mungu anataka. Nikuvishe pete na wewe univishe pete, tuhalalishe ndoa yetu leo wote.
Sahi guys. So sahi ni 4:22 a.m. in the morning, guys. So I woke up early today because yesterday nilala mapema, and I was like, oh my gosh, instead of scrolling on social media, wacha nikuje tu ni washe gari. Let me go get my microphone, guys. I keep forgetting this microphone. Man, why? I always forget this microphone all the time. Like, kwa nini hata tulinunua kweli? I need this microphone, guys. Like, sijui nifanyie nini kweli, because I always forget it. Sijazoea kutumia microphone. Okay, acha niweke hii. Okay. I hope mnanisikia sasa, guys. Okay? Okay. Yeah, so guys, as I was saying, right now it's 4:22 a.m. in the morning, and I was like, hey, instead of scroll kwa social media, nikienda on Instagram, nikienda sijui TikTok, wacha nikuja ni wipe off snow, because I want to go to the gym, guys. I'm going to give this another 10 to 15 minutes so that I can warm up, because I woke up early na sikuwa na I couldn't go back to sleep, and this is around the time where I go to the gym. So I decided to, just get up and do something, guys. I hate scrolling. Like, I can scroll on social media, but guys, nachukia hiyo kitu. By the time I scroll like for like 30 minutes, nasikia kichwa yangu inaniuma. I swear, like I have headache the whole day. So I try to now use the phone in the morning. So hata saa hii sijatumia simu. Like when I woke up in the morning, I just like went straight to doing my thing, because I am not about to use the phone, guys. Inaniboo. Wacha niwaambie. I don't know. You guys mniambie kwa comment section kama you guys have the same thing. Like I hear using the phone in the morning, it ruins my day. I can't focus anymore. Everything I'm trying to do like right now, like even if I want to go to the gym, do whatever. The moment I start using the phone in the morning, like I wake up and start looking at the phone, it's over. It's over, guys. I lose motivation. I lose everything. Yeah, so guys, alafu kitu kingine nataka niwaambie, wakati tulitoka North Dakota tulikuwa na hizo my equipments enye in a wipe of snow. So that's why you guys mliona nimetumia broom, because this is like the first snowstorm tumepata in Tennessee. I mean, seed storm kwa sisi, because guys, mnajua mali tunatoka is one negative, okay? Na inakuanga na blizzards nini. So hii si kitu kwetu. This is not kwetu kabisa, hata tunashangaa. Like jana, yesterday I was so scared to drive. I was like, sasa ni nini wanaogopa watu wa Tennessee? Have they been to North Dakota? Have they been to North Dakota? Imagine yesterday vitu vingi ilifungwa, watoto wa shule zilifungwa zote, watu hawaendi kazi. I'm like, sasa nini? Like, what's going on? But nilisikia in Tennessee, they don't have those my trucks mingi and a wipe of snow off of the roads, so that's why snow inakaa sana. So and that's why when there's a snowstorm like this, they usually close almost everywhere. Yeah, I'm gonna be finishing Jenny's hair, guys. I know, because those who know me, like braiding hair takes me almost the whole day. Kabisa, like I don't even know how watu wanashuka watu kama wawili watatu per day. Like for me, if I start in the morning, nitamaliza usiku like saa 4 saa 6. Especially if it's those box braids or those ear braids hizo, guys. Like it takes me a long time. I'm serious. So I'm gonna finish braiding Jenny's hair. I love what else am I gonna do today. I have something to do, yeah, because the reason why I'm braiding Jenny's hair like today is because tomorrow is Jenny's birthday, so we want to do something for her. I want her to look nice for her birthday and things like that. So yes, guys, so wacha nijitayarishe niende gym. I think Gadi imesha warm up anyway, so wacha nijitayarishe niende gym for a few minutes. Yeah, so alafu I'll come back and get ready for the day. Get ready for the day, guys. Can you imagine, guys? I'm just standing outside. It's not even that cold. Like, oh my gosh. Watu watene mwache kucheza. This is a joke. This is a joke, guys. Compare na mali tulisi tumetoka, this is a joke. Sasa, how is this even? Oh God, chai.
I'm at the point in life, if you understand me or not, misunderstand me or not, me, I'm okay. And if you think I'm wrong or not, long as it's what I want, me, I'm okay. Cause who are you to judge me like say you be holy past? Got to love my life, get my peace of mind, better try survive. We all be sinners, my body, nobody holy back. And my happiness comes first, I never come like to stress, yeah. Now, I be like Terminator, I dey deliver, I pass it on time. Now, I be like Terminator, I dey deliver, I pass it on time. Now, I be like Terminator, I dey deliver, I pass it on time. Now, I be like Terminator, I dey deliver, I pass it on time. Me, I know they care for stunting, I only care for money. I never care for perfect, as long as I'm happy. See me, I know for sure they know me. Young boy, but I know G. 6 years, no be small thing. And since I entered the game, fatality. The trouble days, sleepless nights, things I see, inside life. I can't tell you the things I see. No, they live to impress nobody. Out my thing, them forget. So many men get me, no, no. Who are you to judge me like say you be holy past? Can they love my life, give me peace of mind, better try survive. We all be sinners, my body, nobody only bad. And my happiness comes first, never come like to stress, yeah. Ooh, I be like Terminator, I the deliver, I pass it up time. Ooh, I be like Terminator, I the deliver.
Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, welcome guys. Nana Nalia?
Didn't bite me.
Jason, kwa nini unabite Jasmine? Okay, ambia Jason aende time out sahi. Jason ako wapi? Go tell him to go time out. Kwa nini unabite? Eh?
Oh God.
What, you forget? Yeah, in the time out. No. You don't bite in the house, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so guys, look at this hair. Nimetengenezea Jenny. Jenny, look at your hair. Jenny, do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, wacha nionyeshe guys. Guys, hii imenichukua how many days?
2.
2 days. I think it's like what?
1 day.
I'll just say it's 1 day because I started this hair today at 1, almost 2, and yesterday I also did the back braid. So it's basically like 1 day, guys. Can you guys imagine? So this is the hair. I don't know kwa nini nimejikunja hivi, but I don't know. It's curly even up here because I don't know if it's because it's a curly hair or whatever. But we're gonna put hot water to straighten this. Yeah, guys. So this is the hair. This actually looks.
baddie.
Huh?
Guys, I have transformed.
Yeah, you look different, Jenny.
Yeah, like every time I get my hair done, I get a new personality.
Really? Yeah. So what do you have to say, Jenny?
Guys, I love getting my hair for free.
Hmm?
I love getting my hair done for free. Like I don't have to pay no nothing. People just buy the things for me. I'm good.
Well, you need to pay me.
Mommy, look.
Yeah, so today I've been watching a lot of videos on the TV and things like that. So I can't feel like I have lightheaded. So I need to drink a lot of water today. Yes, guys.
Pass it up time.